Okay, what we got here, guys, is a defective Gerber. Guess where it's made? China. A friend of mine wanted me to look at it for him, so I said I would. The lock will not work no more, and this probably won't be able to fix this. But I told him I'd look at it for him. So I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna take this off and just see why it won't lock. I've never taken one of these apart. I'm kind of excited about it to learn how this works, but again, it's a China-made knife. I despise China-made knives. What's happened, the spring is broke right here. The spring is broken there. It's supposed to hold this back. Might be able though stretch this out and curl that around. Might be able to use that same spring. Same spring instead of trying to order one. Let's try that. Looks like a good spring to me. Okay, to recap here, I'm going to try to use this spring, which I've made a little loop, go on the end of this here. See that little groove right there? It's going to go right in there. Right there. It hooks onto this screw right here. How about that? all fixed. All it was a spring. I was able to use the old spring, so because it's dull as heck. I might have to sharpen this thing. Oh, look here. I have a knife sharpener right here. Lot better. Okay, but anyway, broke spring, able to use the old spring. She works good now though.